Today we are going to see about the different control types that are available. So these all are the different control types that are available for data capture: text input, date, time, currency, decimal, email, phone, password. So the benefit of this using these control types is you can do in some inherent validation. For example, consider there is a UA field called date of birth and field. So what if user enters October 2nd? This is the wrong way of entering. We can prevent this by using date time control, wherein we get a calendar format wherein users can select the date by scrolling to the month and year, and automatically that format is preserved as per the expected format in your application. Say you have some password field, so you need not mask it again. Whatever data user enters, automatically it will be masked, and it will be shown in encrypted format even in clipboard. That is the specialty of data type password, and control also password, so that the whatever text you enter, it will be obfuscated. You will get star 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 instead of displaying whatever password you enter. Likewise, say you want the user to select from a predefined list, then you can, and say the list has 10 items and you want user to select only from that list, then you can use a drop down control. So you can change it to whatever. Say you want user to select from a predefined list and the list is very small. Say the list has only few items, then you can go for radio button. Say if the list has 10 items, then if you have 10 radio buttons in the UI, it is like it will be very convoluted. Then you can go for drop down. Say what if the number of items in the drop down is more than 20, then user has to scroll like this, right? See here, this is a drop down. It has only 4 things, so you can do like this. It has 3 things. You can do like, you can scroll like this. What if it has 20 items? You need to keep on scrolling it. In such case, you need to use autocomplete or pick list. So for example, daytime control, it provides some inherent validation, like selecting a date from a calendar icon ensure that user enters a date in the valid format. Radio button restricts users to a set of choices for few choices. Drop down restrict valid values to restricts user to select only from the valued values. You can use drop down for up to 10 possible choices. If the number of choices is few, go for radio button. The number of choices is up to 10, go for radio, drop down. The number of choices is up to 20, go for autocomplete. Say there is you have presented to the user some terms and conditions, and user can need to accept it. To accept that, you give a checkbox. So basically, checkbox has only two states: either selected state or unselected state. So selected state is nothing but it is true, unselected means false. So you can use a boolean type property, and a true false type property is enough. That is, it holds either 0 or 1, true or false only. Then you can select this checkbox control for boolean type properties.